So now covalent bond. So covalent bond means mutual sharing of one or more pair of electrons. This mutual sharing is very important. Mutual sharing of one or more pair of electrons. In covalent bond, electrons are shared, and electrovalent bond, they are transferred. So in covalent bond, mutual sharing is important. So these covalent bonds are three types: single covalent, double covalent, and triple covalent. Okay, single covalent, double covalent, and triple covalent. So single covalent, a pair of electrons, one pair of electrons share one pair. Here double means two pair, and here triple means three pair of electrons share, mutual share. So with the example you can easily understand it. Suppose hydrogen molecules. So two atoms of hydrogen, here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen. What is the atomos cell electron of hydrogen? One, here also one. So they are mutually share. Now if you just see this hydrogen, it has two atoms, two electrons. Here also two electrons. That means they complete duplet. If I consider chlorine Cl2, so chlorine atomic number 17 and atomos cell electron 287. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. One more chlorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So these electrons are mutually shared. So when you consider this chlorine, it has 8 electrons, 7 here and 1 this one. And when you consider this chlorine, it has also 8, 7 here and 1. So that means they complete their octet. Hydrogen complete their duplet by sharing one electron. Okay, so this is single covalent bond. This is single covalent bond. Now double, that means the pair of two pair of electrons share. So if I consider oxygen O2, show oxygen, one oxygen, and this is second oxygen, two oxygen. So atomic number of oxygen is 8, that means 2 and 6. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you can say like this one here 6. So this electron and this electron share with each other, mutual share. So when you consider this oxygen, it has 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when you consider this oxygen, also it has 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they also complete octet. So but share pair of electron 2, one pair, two pair. So this is double covalent bond. Clear? What about triple covalent bond? So if I consider nitrogen N2, okay, N2, then nitrogen 1 and nitrogen 1. Atomic number of nitrogen is 7, 2, 5. So atomos cell 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you cannot blank anyone. Okay, like this. So here 2, or you can do like this. That here it is 2 and each 1. Here it is 2 and each 1. Now those here with this one and this one. So triple bond, 3 pair from here 3, here 3, 1 pair, 2 pair and 3 pair of electrons mutually share each other and form a molecules. So when you consider this nitrogen, you also complete 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and this one 8, and like this they complete their molecules. So if one pair of electron shared, mutually share, then this single covalent bond, 2 pairs of double covalent bond and 3 pairs, that is triple covalent bond. Okay. Now covalent bond two non-metal, two similar non-metal, or two different non-metals. So two similar non-metal means again hydrogen and hydrogen, similar non-metal, chlorine and chlorine, similar non-metal, oxygen and oxygen, similar non-metal, nitrogen and nitrogen, similar non-metal. So they form covalent bond and forms a molecule. Now different non-metals means hydrogen is a non-metal and chlorine is a non-metal. So HCl form a covalent bond. Water, hydrogen is non-metal and oxygen is non-metal. So covalent compound are formed by non-metals, and electrovalent metal and non-metal, but covalent only non-metal of same kind or different kinds of non-metal. Okay. So HCl is what? Single covalent or double covalent? So hydrogen, only one atom. Chlorine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So complete octet, chlorine need 1, so share 8 complete, and complete duplet, hydrogen need 2, so hydrogen also complete. So here hydrogen complete duplet and chlorine complete octet, and they are stable now. So by sharing one pair of electron, so HCl is a single covalent bond. Water, 1 oxygen with 2 hydrogen. So hydrogen 1 atom electron, here oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now they share like this. So single bond or double covalent bond? Single bond. Why? Because here one pair and here one pair. Okay. So they are combined. When you consider oxygen, so here it is complete 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. When you consider hydrogen, 2. Here you consider hydrogen, they also 2. Okay. So this is the formation of H2O. So single, one more single, you can take CH4, methane, carbon with 4 hydrogen. So atomic number of carbon is 6, outermost shell 1, 4, and here 1 only. So like this they form a molecule CH4. So they are single covalent bond. Okay. Now double covalent bond. Ethene, C2H4, 2 carbon, 1 and 2, 4 hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hydrogen 1 electrons and carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this one share, this one share, this one share, this one share. But here carbon 2 electrons sharing with each other. So that is 2 pair, 1 pair and 1 pair, 2 pair. So this is double covalent bond, C2H4. What about triple covalent bond? So if you take triple covalent bond, ethyne you can take, C2H2 ethyne you can take. So 2 carbon, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 outermost shell electrons, and 2 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen is there, 1 hydrogen is there. So they share, and these 3, 1, 2 and 3, they share with each other. So there it is a triple covalent bond. So that means 1 pair of electrons here, single bond, 2 pair, double bond, and 3 pair, that is triple covalent bond. Clear? If you ask, sir, what about the covalency? Take 1 pair of complete, the 1 covalency is 1, 2 complete, 2 covalency 2, and 3 complete, then it is 3. Okay.